If you are currently watching this video, congratulations to you. You are very lucky, because what I'm about to show you in this particular video is going to help you to increase any capital you are having in your account, right? So these are some of the content you are looking for. Then consider like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new ways about making money online like this, you'll be the first person you see. Before we dive in this video is educational purpose only, not financial advice. Make sure you make your own personal research before make any deposit on this platform, right? So I'll leave the link on the description section or the comment section of this video, right? So once you click on the link, it will bring you to here. You can see more than just investment, from as low as 50 USD with your investment offers, right? So if you're new, you click on sign up button. So once you click on the sign up, then you enter your full name, email, retype your email, username, password, confirm your password, then you click on continue, right? So after that, then follow the other on-screen instruction and complete your registration. So I have account already, but I'll click on login. So once I click on login, it will ask my username and enter my password, right? So once I click on username, I will sign in direct to my account. This platform called United Asset Invest, which is from the United States of America, right? So currently, if you look at here is my dashboard, right? You can see I have total deposit of 527 USD, right? And my active deposit is 0 because my cycle has been successfully ended, right? And withdrawable 00, right? Total profit I made 42 USD, right? I have been on this platform for the past 6 days, right? And I have available balance of 92 USDT. I'm about to withdraw to show you how this platform actually works, right? So if I click on this 3 lines corner here, so here if I click on the earning section here, and if I scroll to top, you can see I've made this my earning on this platform, right? So I click back on the 3 line section here and come to the dashboard section. Before I proceed to show you how this platform actually works and how it will invest and earn daily income, I'll quickly withdraw my available balance, which is the $92, right? To make a withdrawal on this platform, we click on your profile section here. So once you click on the profile section here, then you enter your receiving address here, which is the network you want to use, right? So I will use USDT RC20, right? Which is the Tron on the Tron network, right? So let me go to my Bybit and copy it and paste it here. So here's my Bybit, then copy my address and move back to the website. So once we come back, then we click on the box here, then paste the TRS address here, right? After that, then click on change account data, right? You can see your account data has been updated successfully, right? So after that, then come to withdraw section here, right? So once you come to the withdraw section here, so this is the network. I copy its address and paste. This is the network we use. So you can see that's where the amount is currently showing it. So we click on this box. Right? Once you click on the box, then you enter your username used to register during the registration process, right? You enter it as your comment here, and here you enter the withdrawal amount, right? So let me enter it. So after enter your amount and enter your username, then you click on request, right? So after that, they will ask you to confirm your withdrawal request. Click on confirm. So you can see message withdrawal request has been successfully saved, right? So after you made your withdrawal request, you can see pending withdrawal. So what you need to do next is to click on this WhatsApp icon here to contact them. So once you come to their support team, right, then you tell them that you have made withdrawal request, right? So they should confirm it for you, right? So let me message them. You can see I said United Asset Invest team supported. Please, I have requested withdrawal, so approve it for me. Thank you. So after that, you send it. So they will check your message and approve it for you. So let's wait them. So after contact them, this is what they sent to me. Dear Jibril, thank you for contacting the online support team of unitedassetinvest.com. We would like to inform you that your request has been successfully forwarded to the appropriate department of processing. Kindly allow us a few moments while our system processing and credits your withdrawal address accordingly, right? So we appreciate your patience, understanding, and cooperation. warm regard. So which means they are processing my withdrawal, right? So if you are investing on this platform, what you need to do is to have a patience, because without patience you can't invest it, right? Because you need to contact them to confirm your withdrawal, confirm your recharge. So that's how this platform actually works. We work with their online support team. In less than few minutes, they have responded me that we are pleased to inform you that your withdrawal address has been successfully credited by our system, right? So if you check notification here, you can see 1 minute left. Our withdrawal have successfully deposited to our Bybit account, right? Because Bybit deposit have been confirmed successfully, right? This is a message also from the platform, right? So let's check our Bybit account. So this is my Bybit exchange, right? You can see 92 USD have successfully deposited, right? So which means our withdrawal has successfully arrived, right? So if we come back, we can see our total balance have become 99 USD, right? So after our withdrawal have successfully arrived, let me show you how you can recharge and start making money on this platform. So to recharge your account, what you need to do is to click on the teleline section here. So once you click on it, then you can see we have deposit here. Click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, it will bring you to here. So here we have investment plan here. We have 8%, which is duration for 24 hours, right? Which is minimum of $50, right? And max is 499, right? And referral bonus is 5%, right? You scroll to the top, you have 16%, right? This is preliminary, right? Preliminary plan, right? Also duration 24. So that is how all it is, right? So the last one with the 32 is duration is 14 days, right? $15,000 right? Is the minimum, and the max is unlimited, right? So you go through and choose what you can invest with it, right? So let me go to the 8%, which is the basic plan. Click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, then you select your plan, right? So let me select my plan, so which is the 8% plan, which is the 24 hours profit, right? Click on it. Once you click on it, select your payment method, right? Once you click on payment method, then I choose TRS, right? USDT, TRS USDT, because that is the network I like to use, right? And here choose the amount I want to deposit. So I want to deposit 50 USDT, right? This is the minimum, right? But you can deposit less, right? Once you deposit less, you need to deposit the other one. Example, you can deposit 30 USDT to this platform, right? But you enter 50, right? And maybe later, or maybe your friend wants to also support, you can also deposit the 20 USDT, right? But what you need to know is that without depositing the remaining one to it may not activate, or it will not reflect on your dashboard. That's what you need to do. So if you don't want any problem, what you need to do is to get your minimum of $50 like this, then you proceed to make your recharge, right? But what I am telling you, I've already done some before, right? My friend deposit 20 USDT for me for the first time before I also deposit the 30 USDT to it before it reflects, right? Based on their rules. That's how it is. So what you need to know is that you, even if you are depositing maybe the less, maybe 10 USDT or 20 USDT, you need to enter the amount 50 USDT, because the total will be 50, right? Yeah, so make sure you enter. So for now, I will want to deposit 50, so I'll enter 50 USDT here, right? So enter 50 USDT here, then click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, so you can see here, can you make your payment to this wallet address, right? So this is the TRS USDT address, right? So you can see the plan. I select 8% profit after 24 hours, and profit is 8%. As I said, principal is yes, right? Principal withdrawal is not available because we have not made the deposit, right? And credit amount will be 50, right? And the deposit is free, 000, no fee, right? Recharge fee, and the debt also is 50, right? So what you need to do is to copy this address and go to our Bybit and send our minimum withdrawal to this wallet, right? So copy the address. So once we copy our address, then we go to our Bybit. So here, paste our address here, then select our network, which is TRS, right? So use the Tron. So here you take a screenshot of your withdrawal, right? So once the withdrawal also completed, you take screenshot of it also. Then the screenshot will be 2, right? So after that, you go to their online support team, inform them that you have make a recharge, so they should approve it for you. So here is their online support team. So let me send the image to them. So under the image, I said, please, I have made a recharge of 50 USD on United Asset Invest, so please confirm it for me. Then you send it to them, right? So after I sent the image to them, they said I should save my deposit in my account so that they can approve it. So go to the website. So here you can see transaction ID. What you need to do is to enter your nickname, right? Enter your nickname here, or your username is the same thing. So me, it's Debrain, right? Click on enter Debrain, right? After that, then click on save. Once you click on save, it will successfully save, right? You can see here the deposit has been saved, right? It will become active when the administration check statistics, right? So everything is the online support, so we can't do it without them. That's why I told my community that they should just register and wait for updates, right? So this is the time to make the update to them, right? That's why I said if you're currently watching this video, you are super lucky, right? Because this platform is very cool, right? You work with online support, right? Really, the security is very hard. You can't even do anything bad on this platform, right? However, it's not you are controlling them, right? Because before you can even make a withdrawal, make recharge, you need them before, right? That's why I said you are super lucky. So after I save it, you need to tell them that I have successfully saved it. So tell them that I have saved it successfully. So after tell them that I have saved it, right, they said, we are pleased to inform you that your deposit have been successfully approved and reflected in your investment account. We look forward to providing you with excellent service and a rewarding system experience on our platform. Our team remains committed to supporting you and assisting you with any questions you may have through your investment journey. And we have successfully also received a notification that our deposit has successfully arrived. You can see here, deposit approval notification. Dear Emmanuel Wilson, congratulations, deposit of $50 has been confirmed. So let's check our account. So once you come here, click on the line section here. So once you click on it, then you click on dashboard. So guys, you can see active deposit is 50 USDT. So now our deposit has successfully activated and running, right? So total profit I made on this investment I withdrawn, right, before continue this video, right? And our withdrawal is 92 because at first we're having 0 because I have not made any withdrawal. So this is my first time showing how the withdrawal works on this platform, United Asset Invest. Yeah, so that's how this platform actually works, right? So every 24 hours you can see your total profit here, right? So you can see your total profit here, and you see your withdrawable balance also here. This is the available balance you need to withdraw, right? So that is how we can invest on this platform, right? And make sure also you send your referral link to your friend to let them join through your link, so that you can also earn 5% on their deposit, right? Every deposit they will made, you earn commission. Because this platform, however, is 24 hours for the basic plans. You need to reinvest it, right, because before you can earn more, right? Because the investment duration is just 24 hours, right? So you need to reinvest. So in my next video, I will show you how you can reinvest, right? Because for this one we have just invested. However, the duration of 24 hours has not reached it. We can't make reinvest, right? So every 24 hours we can come back, and so for this $50 I'll earn $4 because 8% on $50 is 4, right? So I'll earn $54. I can choose to withdraw, I can also choose to reinvest. So me, I just keep reinvest. I got that $92, right? So that is how it is. So the referral commission depends on the type of the plan your referrer will go about it, right? So if he start with basic plan, which is the 50 USD, you earn based on the percentage, right? You earn based on the 50 USDT. If he go 16%, right, which is $500, you earn based on the $500. So that's how it is. You earn 5% on their $500 deposit. That's how all it is. So if the person also invests for, which is $15,000, you also earn 5% on $15,000. So the higher your referral plan, the higher your commission also earn from your friend. This platform, United Asset Invest, established in 1992, right, in the United States of America. Right? United Asset Invest also have the approval certificates and trust by the government and institution. They also operate many sectors like forex, crypto trading, real estate, NFTs, mining, and so many things, right? So during your recharge, they will ask you which sector do you want to invest in, then you give your information to them. So you need to take note of that. So guys, I will leave the link on the description section or the comment section of this video, right? So that after you make your own personal research, you can also dive in and start making money with United Asset Invest, right? So guys, this video was helpful. Consider like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new ways about making money online like this, you'll be the first person you will be notified, right? We also have a WhatsApp group Telegram channel where we share ways to make money online like this. We have a WhatsApp group called Share Your Business. You can also share your business there. Any business you are having, you can also share to people, right? And connect to people and also earn together, right? So you can also join us. All the links are in the description section or the comment section of this video, right? But the thing is, the earlier you join, the higher chance of earning more, and I will see you in the next one.